Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow for the installation of apps from unknown locations or sources on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy phone or a Google Pixel phone, doesn't really matter. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on your homepage is just scroll up and then select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to go down and select apps. So go ahead and select that. And then scroll down underneath general where it says special app access. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down underneath install unknown apps. Go ahead and select that. And then if you want to allow for the installation of unknown apps from these sources, just would select whatever source. So let's say Google Chrome. If you want to allow Chrome to install apps from unknown sources, you can go ahead and toggle that to the on position. Otherwise, you can disable it. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.